The rarest luxury, a home by the woods. Imagine living next to a verdant expanse with sweeping views of a forest reserve. You wake up every day in Mother Nature's cradle with views of 25,000 acres of unfettered greens, and you delight in finding its counterpart next to you. A private and beautiful space to muse in solitude. Your very own Garden of Eden. A vibrant and serene oasis pulsating with life and teeming with activities. A sanctuary replete with the finest amenities and quiet corners for inner peace. All this at a location which spells connectivity and convenience. Bask in the luxury of space as you live, work and play from the comfort of your home. A blessing only a lucky few can have at Kandivali's most premium address, Lodha Woods. Life thrives here.